you don't have lower back extension equipment available to you, there's exercises you can do for your back. One of them is called Bird Dog. This you can do at home or at the gym. You can even do it on your carpet or floor, but it's more comfortable with the mat. And what you do is you go on all fours, keep your belly tight, belly button to the spine, neutral spine, so head goes down but not too far down. Your head and back are parallel to the floor. You lift opposite leg and opposite arm. Keep that belly tight. Keep your palms in, facing inward. Keep your toes pointed down. And you can bring your arm next to your ear. That'll help you to stay aligned. Squeeze your glutes with the leg that's lifted, that's raised. And hold for 3 to 5 seconds. This is also working your core. And you'll also feel it in your glutes as well. About 20 repetitions each side is good for about 3 or 4 sets. But if you can get just 1 or 2 sets in every other day, that would be great. Bird Dog exercise also helps to improve balance and stability. This is also a little bit of a warm-up before a workout. Sometimes you'll feel like your leg is straight, but it's actually way up high. So try to remember to keep your hips parallel also to the floor. So you're not tipping one hip up to the ceiling or too far down. Tighten those glutes. Squeeze top, toes down. Remember to breathe. You also feel like it's kind of working your arms a little bit by holding them up. It doesn't look like you're doing much, but you'll be able to feel it when you hold that position. Have a fantastic day.